Hey family, what's going on? Welcome back to our home, our family. Happy Friday. I just got back from Walmart. I got stuff a little bit of everywhere. Just make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe as y'all are coming in. Like I said, everything came from Walmart. I got 2 bottles of water from one of the Walmarts, 2 bottles from the other, and it's just their great value to 40 count. So we'll be stocked back up on water. I got the classic mix, the 42 size. I wish I would have waited and got this from Sam's, but like I said, I'm not going to be going until either Wednesday or Thursday, and my little one was going to need some for lunch when he go back to school. So I only got this. It was $19, and it's going to run around the same price at Sam's. I got 2 Sam Cokes and 1 of the Diet Cokes. These was like, I like around $6. I'm gonna just round it up to $6. So that's it as far as the drinks. Then I got Mama some, but that's all. And those will last as long as they last. I only got the 10-pound thing of ground beef like I always get, and you guys know we divide it up. I am doing taco salad today. I'm just doing a small thing of it, just enough for today, and my little one to have enough for tomorrow. And then Jordan got him 2 things of chicken liver. One was $1.96. Well, both of them was $1.96. The diced chicken breast, the 2-pound. I got 2 packs because my little one been asking for Alfredo. He loves chicken Alfredo. I'm gonna do some with chicken and shrimp, and some with just shrimp. But y'all know we get shrimp from our seafood market. I got 1 pack of just 1 little small pack of hot dogs because my little one really haven't been eating them as much. And then my mama asked me for some hot sausage, so I got her the Carolina Pride, and hopefully she'll be able to eat them. I don't know about right now, but I went on and got them for her. And these here are not hot. You know, they got that flavor to them, but they're not hot. But I did get me the Polk's hot sausage because I like for mine to be hot. The bacon is just for the house. I do cut them in half, so what I'm going to do is cut these in half, put some in a Ziploc bag and freeze half and keep the other half out. And then I got the 10-pound bag of the skinless, boneless chicken breast because, like I said, you can do a lot of different things with chicken and rice, pasta. You can do chicken salad. You can do a whole lot of things with it. And if y'all remember, last month I told you guys I was getting these because the old folks brand went up to almost $13. And I think you get 32. And then it was 24, huh? You get 24 in that pack. These here, you get 8 a piece. I got 24, and these are only $2. So $6, I got 24. So I got these, and we got another pack of these in the deep freezer. So the pack that's in the deep freezer, I'm going to take out. We can have for this weekend, and these will go in the freezer. And y'all know I normally get the country pleasing sausage. They done went up to almost $13 as well. So I just went back to the Savoys, which is still the, southern here in the south. And these were $11 for 4 pounds. So this will be enough. So I saved a lot of money. Because like I said, these here was so much cheaper than getting the other ones. Because it would have costed, what I said, almost $35. It would have cost me $40 to get 3 of those, what I just called them, the country pleasing. Yeah, it would almost cost me, I want to say damn near $40 with tax for those 3 packs. And then this here was just under 12. So I got that. Jordan got a thing of meatballs. I got some sugar, a 10-pound bag of sugar, bag of all-purpose flour because Mama said she want to do her some biscuits. But y'all remember I had got her some biscuit mix last month, but she just haven't been filling up to making it. So now she got the Bisquick and these. So whenever she's ready, we got the Lord have mercy, the yellow cornmeal. Y'all know this was the Angel Mama, but now it's Pearl Milling Company. They got cheese, sharp cheddar, the Fiesta blend. Jordan got these for the tacos. And those 2, he got the provolone and mozzarella for something that he will be making. It's on the cooking channel. So for those of you guys who are not subscribed to the cooking channel and y'all say we do grocery house and y'all want to see what we cook, we have a cooking channel. It is Cooking with Pops. The link is always in our description box. Just look up in the description box. You will see the link. click on it and it'll send you right to the cooking channel. So if y'all interested in seeing anything that he cooks, it's over there. Or we cook, it's over there. So 3 packs of cheese, the Pick Sweet Season Blend, some frozen cut okra, and we still have a lot of frozen, vegetables in our deep freezer. So that's why you don't see any more. Fresh, we got broccoli, cauliflower, all of that in there. Fresh spinach. I got the paste nacho jalapeno dip for my tacos. I think Jordan he picked this dip up. And then I got the on the border salsa for my tacos again. He got sour cream. I don't eat sour cream on my tacos. And I think him and my mom are the only 2 that do sour cream in the house. But apple juice for the little one, of course. And then y'all see I get these. These are for his school lunch. These are for him just at the house. And then he'll pour these in his container too for school. 2 things of cran grape. And we still got 2 more down there on the floor. Some butter. I need to get some more, but for now I just got 4. That's all I was getting. 2 things of boarding milk. And I had to get these the second time around, because y'all gonna see in that walkthrough when I went grocery shopping, the first Walmart just did not have a lot of stuff. They were sold out. I got 1 thing of Milo's tea, a thing of vegetable oil. Brianna got her 2 things of Minute Maid, the peach and watermelon. Jordan got 1 pineapple for something he's making. Cream cheese for something he's making. Vanilla. I got 1. I just got 2 of them because Mama asked me for some and I had needed some. Brianna got this thing of ground beef and spaghetti because she's making spaghetti again for her boyfriend. I guess last time she made it, it was a hit. Homeboy liked it. She making him some more. I got 1 of the twin pack of hamburger helper cheesy macaroni for 1 quick meal one day. Mama got some breadcrumbs for something she'll be making. Here go Riante Prego meat sauce for her spaghetti. Some Heinz classic chicken for my mama. And then this is the savory beef. The 4 pack of pizza for Philip. 2 things of beef stew seasoning for mama. The taco seasoning for my tacos tonight. My Spanish rice for my tacos tonight. Extra virgin vegetable oil for cooking. Garlic powder. And another thing of garlic powder. We needed onion powder. I think that's what it was. They didn't have onion powder. They were sold out of onion powder because we were searching for onion powder and they didn't have any. So we just got this smaller thing and then Riante picked this one up. So both of the areas was out of onion powder. So I'll try Winn Dixie. If not, I'll try Froogles. 1 thing of Hellman's, the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Jordan picked this up. Some ketchup. I'm not done yet, y'all. So don't leave. Excuse me. 2 things of whole milk that I've been having in my refrigerator. We got this our first time out. 1 thing of orange juice. I should have got 2 because we go through orange juice here too. I'll get 1 whenever I think about it. We needed some more onions. They didn't have the regular sweet Vidalia, but they had the Mayan sweet. They gonna do the same job. Philip asked me for some grapes. He had kind of cut back on eating them, but he asked for some, so I got him some. 2 things of the Great Value flaky biscuits, ambrosia apples, tomatoes, lettuce, bananas. I got 2 things of peach yogurt. 1 of the peach yogurts is mine. 1 of the peach yogurts is my mama. And then I got this strawberry banana yogurt for my mama as well. Hey, can you put this ice cream up for me? I got the Bluebell Crunch Bars because that's just what I wanted to snack on for tonight. And then I got my mama some Bluebell the Blue Ribbon Fudge Bars. Babe, can you come put these up? Because they melt. Okay. I got a thing of Zatarain rice. They done changed their packaging. 2 things of ramen noodles for the little one. Well, just for the house, but he likes to eat them for a quick snack when he come home. My mama asked for all chocolate pudding. So Because for a while, y'all know she got tired of eating them because that's all she could eat. But now she's back, so that's pretty much all she can eat. So now we stocking back up on some. She had vanilla. She just needed chocolate. And then I got Philip 3 things of the snack pack Jello. They, you know, they come 12 to a pack. So he got him enough. They falling all over. I got a thing of Rice Krispie treats for his lunchbox. I also got these for my mama and Philip, the Yoo-hoo. Got Philip's 3 Lunchables, the chicken nuggets, and 3 of the turkey and chicken. 12 things of green beans, 12 things of peas, and 12 things of corn. These are the baked beans that Jordan is doing. Another thing of chipotle sauce. The 36 count eggs. 2 things of celery butter bread. 1 thing white. Some flour street taco style. These are the ones Jordan eating tonight with his tacos. Strawberry Pop Tarts. I think Jordan picked those up. I got my little one, the Mott's. What are these called? Fruit snack. And then he loved these Captain Crunch peanut butter cereal, so I got him some of these. I wanted the bigger pack, and they didn't have them. But I know Winn Dixie sells the bigger pack of these, so I'm going to get him that. When he runs out, the Honey Smacks, I wanted some of these. My mama, Mama Margaret asked for some Pops. And I know Mama E'll eat whatever cereal. And then I got me a big thing of Frosted Flakes because I like Frosted Flakes and she does as well. I also love me some Raisin Bran. Yes, I do. Call me old. I don't care. I love my Raisin Bran. And then I got some Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And then we got the Fun Packs because Jordan been wanting some Apple Jacks. And it was something else he asked for. Something else he wanted out here. So, Apple Jacks. The first Walmart we went to had these. They didn't have the big pack. I didn't know if the one in my area was going to have them. But they did. So, these will just get opened first. And then they can open these after all this stuff is gone. So, I just went on and got them. So, we'll have these smaller ones. I got some. Hold on, y'all. Let me get myself together. Got something else to show y'all back here. The Heinz multi-purpose vinegar. If y'all have this in y'all area, in my area it was only $2. The Great Value brand and the other Heinz distilled vinegar is $4. This is only $2. And I think Jordan got these pork rinds. I got 4 things of the peanut butter and jelly for my little ones for school. Some community coffee. I got this thing of the Great Value creamer, and this will last for a couple of months. My little one like these hot fries, and so do I. The Lay's Wavy, the On the Border chips, that's going to be for something Jordan's making. And then my little one asked me for some sour cream and onion. Yes, I got individual bags of chips, but those are just for school. He'll eat this for the house. And then Mama asked me for some barks, so I got her some. Y'all didn't see me pick up any more boxes of these because I still have a lot left, so I didn't need any. And Lord, I think that's it. Finally, I think that's everything. If y'all see something that y'all seen and I didn't say it, it's because I missed it. And if y'all see something that's not up here that I didn't get, that y'all will ask why I didn't, because we didn't need it. So if y'all don't see it, we ain't need it. But other than that, y'all pretty much got everything else. So I'm going to let you guys go. Y'all have a safe weekend. Be blessed. This is going to be for, majority of this stuff is going to last for 2 months. Some of this stuff, I'm going to say 2 months at tops. Because a lot of this stuff is like for my son's school lunch and stuff he'll have for lunch. And then, like I said, I still have to go to Sam's. And when I get that stuff, hopefully that'll last for 2 going into 3 months. And then we still need paper plates, paper towels, stuff like that. So let me start getting this stuff put up. Thank y'all so much for being a part of our family and our channel. And I will see you guys later. Y'all be blessed.
East Coast always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Joe, getting love from my city. I roll call.